fucking fun. I'm excited. I love fucking Cabo. That was awesome. Oh, we're supposed to meet Marvin and Steph here, so let me see where they're at. Let's go. Marvin and Steph are supposed to be here at the airport. Let's surprise them.
Finally you're here.
How are you?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. What's up, bro?
Say hi.
What's up, How are you doing?
Huh?
How are you?
Good. Say hi to my friend.
How are you, man? Marvin and Steph. This is Pablo.
Nice to Say hi. His name is
What's up?
Butch.
How are you? I look like one.
That's the butcher.
How are you?
Good. Where you doing?
So, it's been a very, very productive week. I worked a lot. It's time to head to Cabo. Let's go relax. Covering up the bush.
Hola, welcome.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Welcome to Los
¿Todo bien?
Cabos. Bienvenidos.
How are you?
Bien.
We got 2 more people coming, and then we should be ready to go. This is the before. Yeah, we're so sad.
I know what the after.
Yeah, what's the after like? I'm ready. I'm ready to party on.
Wait, what are we doing, man?
Doing laundry on my fucking vacation.
Again?
I don't have time at home. I work a lot. I'm on vacation. I gotta do laundry sometimes. I'm done. Here we go.
Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
very, very welcome. Very, very
Now
welcome.
they're super clean.
What? Doing laundry. Laundry never finishes. Life finishes before fucking laundry finishes. You gotta finish it sometime. What up, Butch? Working again.
Sí, todo bien.
Yeah, you gotta work sometimes, man. You're on vacation.
I'm here with Baby Butch and the baby beers.
Compared to Houston, about to have some good time. Let's go!
What are you doing here? What happened? When'd you get here?
This is cool. Come on, admit it. It's badass, right? I love it. Hey guys, this is it. We are at Breathless Cabo, one of the best places so far that I party at every time I come to Cabo. The view is amazing. The place is amazing. Food, drinks, people here are badass. I mean, party people, of course. We party like animals when we come here. Look at the view. It's just like Monaco, except it's in Mexico. It's pretty dope. All right, let's have more fun, shall we? I'm on vacation. So usually when you go on vacation, you go to sleep and you just relax and all that, but here we don't. We go, we rave even harder than in Houston. We go like freaking animals for sure. Whatever you could bring with you from Houston, Red Bulls, anything that bumps you up, just keep you going. I usually bring Red Bull and the 5-hour energy shot. That keeps me going. Oh, I forgot. Cheers to y'all. Cheers to success. Cheers to all the entrepreneurs. Cheers to the single life. I don't wanna get sick. I'm gonna act like I'm putting it in here. Shot now, soup bowl. Later. Last time we came over here, it was like the day after COVID. We opened over here in Cabo. There was nobody over here at all. It was like maybe like 2 or 3 people, just me. I'll be back. The group that I had. It's pretty cool. Now it's kind of full, but COVID did a lot of damage to a lot of businesses, especially hotels and resorts. But at least it's not that crowded, which is not bad. It's pretty cool. I still love this place. So we're thinking about renting a private boat and then go for an adventure over here at Cabo. Sit and watch. See ya. Tomorrow we're supposed to go eat dinner at the Cape, which is about maybe 20 minutes from here. It's gonna be a pretty experience. Just check it out and see what it's like. Get that experience. Maybe next month we'll go there too. You never know. I'm Mr. Still Your Girl. Play that song. Check this out. Check this out. We work hard, right? Every day we sweat, we stress, and like sometimes you want to give up, right? But then you go to bed, you wake up the next morning. Oh, I'm gonna fucking rave again. I mean, like, you know, rave at work. Rave at work means like work very, very hard. And then all of a sudden, you do it again and again and again and again. So if you pause and have a good time and enjoy this life right here, this is gorgeous, dude. Like, it makes you want to live longer, if possible. It does. For me, it does. Till tomorrow. Till tomorrow.